This property is a 6-bedroom, 5 full baths, and 1/2 bath, colonial. The list price has recently been reduced to $1,995,000. Interior features of this property include an open floor plan, wood flooring, a formal living room, multi-unit zoned central air conditioning, a home security system, crown molding, natural gas heat, a family room, recessed lighting, a gourmet kitchen, a kitchen island, and skylight. On the outside, this property features a corner lot, a detached garage, a porch, a balcony, waterfront access, and a guest house.